steps in development often manifest in the outer appearance. Suddenly, suits replace jeans. At Plasser Theurer, the new machine design clearly shows a development step. Since 2017, many new technologies and strategies have shaped our market presence. These include the Plasser Smart Temping the Assistant System, the new generation of smart ALC guiding computers, the further enhanced Plasser Datamatic 2.0 remote diagnosis system, and the Smart Catalog Spare Parts app. The hybrid drive technology is in focus when it comes to our new machines. But not just our new technologies are trend-setting, the Plasser modular customizing platform strategy is too. It allows customizing standard machines to meet our customers' individual requirements efficiently. That is why around 100 configuration options are available for the Unimat 09 4x4 series. All modifications conform to the first approval in technical design and quality. This makes the approval process much faster. Our new machine design stands for innovative, leading-edge technologies, new service and design strategies, and for even more production efficiency and quality. We're happy that the new design goes down well with our customers. In 2019 alone, 23 machines in the new design have left our factory for 8 countries. Further machines will follow in 2020, and the number is likely to increase in the course of the next year.